In this video, I will be demonstrating an Arduino-based ultrasonic sensor project. And this system used the HCXR4 ultrasonic sensor to measure the distance between an object and the sensor, and it controls the status of LED lights and a buzzer based on different distances. And I will now show you how this system works. So first, let's take a look at the components I used. We have three main components in here. The first one is XCSR4 ultrasonic sensor, which measures the distance by emitting ultrasonic waves and receiving the echo. And the second component I use is LED lines. Actually, I used two of them in here, a green one and a red one. They used to indicate how close or far the object is from the sensor. And the third component I use is buzzer, which sounds an alarm when the object is too close to the sensor. So here's how they connected. The trick pin of the ultrasonic sensor is connected to pin 6, and the echo pin is connected to pin 7. The green LED is connected to pin 12, and the red LED is connected to pin 13, and the buzzer is connected to pin 8. So now let's see how the system performs in actions, and I will demonstrate how the sensor responds to the objects at different distances. So let's get started. So the first situation is when the object is more than 100 centimeters away. So for example, I have 123 centimeters in here, and you can see the green LED lines up, indicating that the object is far from the sensor. Because it is a safe situation in a safe distance, so the buzzer will not sound. So the second situation is when the object is between 50 centimeters to 100 centimeters. So for example, I have 82 centimeters in here, and you can see that the green and red LEDs will alternate flashing, indicating that the object is in the mid-range, which means this is not a safe distance or dangerous distance. So because it's not dangerous, so the buzzer remains off. The third situation is when the object is less than 50 centimeters. For example, I have 29 centimeters, the object is 29 centimeters away from the sensors. I'm not sure if you can hear the sound because I am speaking right now because I'm recording, but you can see here it's actually, it's actually sounding. So as the object approach the sensor, the red LED lights up and the buzzer starts sounding an alarm because it's a dangerous distance. It's less than 50 centimeters. So let's take a look at the codes. So in the codes for this project, I have already defined all the each pins in here, and I think the main functions I use is the pause in functions. This function is to to measure the length of the pause returned by echo pins, and here's the process why. So first, a short pause is sent to the trick pin to start the measurements, and then the pause in functions measures the duration of the high-level signal on the echo pin, which represents the time it took for the ultrasonic wave to return. And finally, this time is converted to a distant value, which is used to control the LED lines and buzzer. And the common line is here. This comment is to convert time to distant value. So the main logic in the codes includes measuring the distance, determining if the object is too close, and accordingly controlling the LEDs and buzzers. So in conclusion, this whole system is ideal for applications where object distance monitoring is needed, such as parking assistant systems or security alarm system. And by using an ultrasonic sensor and an Arduino board, we have successfully implemented distance detection and locked functionalities, and this is how this system is and how it works. So this is the video for my 3.7 task, and thank you for watching my demonstrating videos.